Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Mailchimp segments for targeted campaign workflows, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab in the top menu. Select the audience you want to work with from the drop-down menu. Click on the Manage Audience option. Choose segments from the list presented. In the Segments page, click on the Create Segment button. Define your segment criteria using the drop-down menus provided. Select the first condition under the Conditions section. Choose a field, such as location or email activity. Specify the options relevant to your selected field. For example, if you chose location, you might select is and then specify a particular country. You can add more conditions by clicking the Add button. Consider using any or all conditions based on the targeting strategy. Once all criteria are set, click on Preview Segment to see the potential contacts. Review the contacts that meet your segment criteria. If satisfied, click the Save Segment button. Name your segment for easy identification later. Now, return to the Audience tab and select Campaigns from the menu. Click on the Create Campaign button. Choose Email from the list of campaign types. Select the Regular Email option. In the To section, click on the Add Recipients drop-down. Here, select the segmented audience you just created. Continue setting up your campaign as desired, filling out the subject line and content sections. Customize your email template to resonate with the intended audience. Add any needed personalization tags to enhance engagement. When you're finished, proceed to the Preview and Test section. Send a test email to ensure everything appears correctly. Finally, once satisfied, click the Schedule or Send button to launch your campaign to the segmented audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.